Right then, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got a proper good video for you. Sorry, that's a bad pun. But we've got Adam's Touareg on the ramp, and that is because it's making a horrible noise from the prop. So that's what you can hear inside the car when it's changing through the gears. And if you can see, the reason it's doing that is because this prop bush has a lot of play in it. So as well as that, the front donut rubber bush has just started to crack as well. So that's a sign on that's on its way out. So in this position, we've got two options. If this was a road car or a light off-road car, then we have this. This is a JXB centre bearing upgrade basically. So you cut out the standard rubber bush, this clamps around the centre bearing, and then that gives you a lot more support, and obviously the new rubber will not move around as much. But because this vehicle is doing quite a bit of off-roading, he's come to quite a few off-road events and green laning, he wanted to go for the second option, which is this one-piece prop shaft. So we originally designed this on our old V6 Touareg because of prop issues. This is obviously a lot stronger, it's a lot more suited to off-roading, and yeah, this is what we're going to be fitting today. And then once we've done all that, we've also got as new rock sliders to go on this as well. So I'm going to let Paul crack on. We'll get the prop done, get the rock sliders on, and have a look at it when it's done. So the rock sliders are on, and that's me swinging on it. Very solid. We tested these on our V6. We'll put a clip in of us doing that. Moving the rock. And then up here we've got the solid prop on now. So it is ready for Parkwood. This is going to be coming with us to camp and, well, do some off-roading. So, pretty quick video today. If you've got prop problems on your Touareg or Cayenne, get in contact. We've got, as you've seen, two solutions, and if you want some rock sliders, get in touch as well. So, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.